Alright, it's your boy, Mr. B. What's up, people? I hope you guys are good today. Today I want to show you how to use affiliate marketing the right way to create a header like this. Rather than using an anchor link where you ask people to click and visit the affiliate link, you insert affiliate banners. This is more compelling than just having a text in a bulk of text. So in the last video I showed you how to import this banner and put it on the site so it looks like an ad, but it's not an ad, it's just an affiliate link that will just stay there forever as people are scrolling up or down your content. And so as they're scrolling, they can be curious about this and they will click and try. Now I want to show you how to import it as a header. So because when people click on your post on Google to visit your site, what they're seeing the first thing before scrolling down, they're seeing these two images. These are the most important placeholder on your website. So you have to make sure that the images that you put here are really high affiliate links or high affiliate commissions, because people are more likely to click here to check out. So I am going to show you how to import this 30 seconds thing and replace this header ad by that, or that header banner by that. So first thing you need to do, you need to have the advanced ad plugins. All these are incorporated using the advanced ad plugins, whether it's Amazon affiliate, Amazon ads, or just like, other affiliate programs like Bluehost affiliate program or Cash Advance affiliate programs where I was accepted from. So first thing you need the plugin advanced ad. So you go on the plugins, add new, advanced ad, and you configure it the right way. After you've done that, you come here under advanced ad. You will see an advanced ad here. You click on ads, right? And then after you click on ads, it will this is the list of ads of affiliate links that are already incorporated in my blogs. The beauty about advanced ad is that it's really advanced. You can customize the way you want your ad to be incorporated on your blog post, right? Like some of these ads appear only on certain blog posts, only on certain category of posts, only on certain pages, only on certain headers, and then you have the rotation. For example, these are different affiliate ads, affiliate programs that I rotate for the header of my website. So now I'm going to add the one that I showed you. To do that, you click on new ad, and that will allow you to incorporate a new ad. Let's say I want that, I call that 728 times 90 article forge ad. This is just for my reference because I want to know which ad is going, and so I can turn that on and off as I want. So you leave it on you click on image ad, because now I don't have a script, I have an image that I downloaded from the affiliate website. So you click on select image. I already imported the image, but if you don't have the image imported, you click on upload file, you select the image, and then you will see that image here. So I have the image uploaded. I select the image, I incorporate an alt text if you want. It's not important for the ad, but then you have that right here like that. Now you want the affiliate link, you want to put the affiliate link. You see, as you import the image, it automatically detect the size and put that for you. Now you want the affiliate link, you copy the affiliate link that was given to you after application, and then you paste that here. You just click next. Then if I want that to appear on certain post or only on post, for example, if I select post, I click add. If I want that to appear only on post or pages as well, then I select where I want that to appear. For now, I only want that to appear on post and pages, right? On the header of post and pages. If I want that to appear on certain devices, on certain devices, then I can add also different condition. Or if I want that to appear only for logged in visitors, I do that here. I select the logged in visitor and I add, but I don't want that, so I'm just going to click next. So after you click next, the next option is now, where do you want the ad to be placed? Where do you want the ad to be displayed? I want the ad to be displayed. If you look at this is displayed before the content. It's after the title, but before the content. So this I want before content. Okay, I want to be displayed before content. Congratulations, your ad is now visible in the front end. If you come here and you refresh your page, you will see the ad at the top here. Now this is before content. You see that this is before your content, that you have the ad right here. Now if you want to replace this ad instead, okay, if you want to replace this ad, you see before it was another ad, it was a different ad. Now it's this one. You see, because I implemented a rotation, even here it changed. As I refresh, everything changed because I implemented the rotation between ads. You see, everything changed. So for each new visitors, they will not have something static. They will have something dynamic. So I can include even this one as a rotation, in the list of ad that will rotate here. So it allows me to have my blog to not be static but dynamic, and then depending on the mood of each reader, they might click on one or they might click on the other. So this is how I think ads should be placed on your website when you're not approved for ad programs like Google, when you're rejected on Google Ads or like Zoic, or you don't have enough visitors yet to be approved by most programs. You can implement your own ad. So this is a powerful way to make money, because imagine you have 1,000 blog posts or 100 blog posts, and then you have that on automation. You don't have to go on each blog post and then incorporating a link. You can just implement the rotation of your ads like this, right? So and then people come and read different blog posts, and then on different blog posts they serve different ads. This is much powerful because you'll be able to track which ads or which affiliate program is performing the best, and once you're realizing which is performing the best, you can scale down some and scale up others, the ones that are performing better. For now, I will just leave this. So for example, if I want to center, instead of leaving that on the side, if I want to center, I go back on the ad and I click here. I want you to be centered, right? I want you to be centered, and and this is where you include the rotation. I already created my rotation here on groups on rotation. Now if I want this to be included in the rotation, I just select where I want that to be included. Now this, if I select here, you will be included in the rotation of these things. So refreshing for each user, they might be served that or not. They have a probability of being served the ad. I define my probabilities. And so I'm just going to unselect that and click update. You can also set the expiry date for the ad. So after a certain date, it doesn't show up anymore. Now if I refresh this, something, it will be served. Now you see it's served at the center. It's served at the center, which is, to me, I feel like it's much more beautiful. It's much more interesting, right? So it's compelling because someone will read this and it's more likely to click than just, I don't know, just having an anchor text. So I hope this was helpful. You see all these ads, affiliate programs that I applied for, and that I just incorporated them as ads, but they're not ads per se, like Google ads or Ezoic ads. So to me, that's another way to make extra income, and really passive income. If you feel like it's helpful, like just leave a like. I mean, I'm trying to really provide you all the value for free. Like, you've seen a lot of ads on YouTube. You know, when you're trying to watch a video, people are saying, oh, subscribe to this course for $1,000 you'll get, and then you guys subscribe, you guys get broke and you don't have any value. So I want to provide you everything for free. I have tried drop shipping, I have tried blogging, I have tried SEO. I mean, blogging and SEO are the same thing, but I've tried drop shipping, e-commerce, a lot of different things, Facebook ads, Instagram ad. If you look at my videos, you will see a wide range of domains that are covered related to entrepreneurship and e-commerce that I think will be helpful to you. So if you think this is helpful, just like I said, leave a like, subscribe, comments down below, share the video so it can be helpful to others. And really, until next time, I really want you to take care of yourself. I know the journey is not easy, but I know we all can make it if we help each other. So until next time, take good care of yourself. It's your boy, Mr. B.